Here I have TOSHIBA AT10-A, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. Firstly, you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later. Then I suggest you to disable these switchers and tap next. Then you can set up date and time. Then you can enter your name if you feel like it, or you can just skip this step. Then you have these Google services, tap next, and setup is complete. And that's it. Then you tap accept, close, and now you can finally use your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.